Hello and welcome all. I am Rahul Jograna. After receiving a good response from my ASP.NET tutorial, I have received many requests to develop a software. So that's why I am creating this tutorial series for software development. To develop a software development, we have required a Visual Studio. In my case, I am using a Visual Studio 2010 Professional. You can use any version of Visual Studio, either 10, 12, 30, 40, 50, either you want. So let's start with the Visual Studio to creating our software. To do that, we have Visual Studio. To creating a new software, to the file menu, file, new, project. From here you can selecting your language. Either you can select Visual Basic, C Sharp, C++, F Sharp. In my case I am using C Sharp, that's why I am clicking on C Sharp. Windows and Windows Form application. For creating a software, I'm creating my software in a Windows Form application, that's why I'm selecting a Windows Form application. And here you can select your .NET framework. You can use lower version of .NET framework or upper version of the .NET framework. I'm using 4, that's why I'm clicking on 4 and give it to name. I'm giving a name as I am creating a demo of hotels, that's why I'm creating a hotel and restaurant example. Click OK. It will creating a one file for us. Here is the name of our exam software hotels and restaurant example, which creating a 4 files for us, which contain different files and classes. So here programs, properties, which contain assembly info.cs, which is a class that contains all the configuration and the names and company name, products and copyrights related information. And the resource.rx, which contains the resources like images and many more resources required for our project. And settings are for that required for settings, which contain strings. References contains the web services or many more, which is required for our project. Either you can create your own of WPF or WCF communication foundation services from there, or you can directly add services from your already created. So here you can pass the query of your WCF queries. And here the main thing is form 1, which is our first home page, and which contain designer.cs file. From that, which program.cs, which contain the one main method. You know that how to main method are used in our program, which compile first. And look at that, there is one method called run, which have one instance of form 1 with the new method. That means whenever our program contains mains method execute, this will create an instance of a form 1, which is that here. It will load first. So this is basic introduction of Visual Studio's Windows Form application. You can run your program from here as I shown on my ASP.NET tutorial. So you can see here our program is running here. The first home page is displayed, which contain a form 1 text and one icon, which is default Windows icon. In form 1 you can change the property of it by your own configuration. So I'm show you how to you can do that. So let's close that all. To the design mode, right click on it, properties, and properties windows. If you not get that properties window, you can select from the view menu and go to down and property windows, or either click F4 for here I am changing the form 1 text to home. So you can see here the the form 1 is replaced with the home, which I written here. So let's run it. can see here the name is changed. To change the position of this is a default Windows position. To display it in a center of screen, we can do that with a location. So you can see here from the properties window, start position, which contain Windows default location. Let's change it. I am giving it center of screen and save it. Again run it. Either you can click here or F5. So you can see here the output is listed on center on screen. So if you noted that the size is 3030, to change the size of it, we can do that with the properties windows of form 1 size. Let's change the size of it 400 and 400. Oh, let's do that with it as it is. You can run it. You can see here the size is changed, width is changed. So this is for introduction part. In next tutorial I am going to show you how to develop your own software with designing and database related works. So thank you for watching this video. Please like or subscribe my YouTube channel for more detail about it. You can find my software development tutorial details on my blog, which I am giving to my comment section. Thank you for watching this video.